What's going on, guys? It's Gamer Julian here.
And Baby Panda, and today we have this slime kit that we're gonna make for you guys.
Yeah, the Creative Kids Yuzuka. It's slime time. And, so this kit, has a bunch of ingredients for slime. And, we are gonna use those to make it.
Yeah, and sorry we haven't posted a video in like 7 months. I'm surprised that you guys are still watching us for 7 months because we haven't created a new video yet. So we're making this one with this slime. So should we open it?
Yeah, and let's see if we can get over 100 likes for this video, and also over 50 views on this video. That would be awesome.
Yeah, and I'm really feeling good about 20 subscribers.
Yeah, we're actually about to hit it, so we actually need one more subscriber.
Yeah.
We're on 19 as we're recording the video right now.
These are the instructions.
Oh, really? Okay, so I'm gonna read them.
Yeah.
Okay,
What
so
is this?
okay, follow these rules. 1, do not eat the slime or any of the ingredients. 2, keep away from your eyes. 3, wash your hands well after use. Wash your hands well after use. Oh wait, and this is in Spanish. Okay. Supplies you will need: 1 packet guard gum, 1 bottle sodium, and tetraborate liquid, 1 PC of wooden stick, and warm water, not included. Measuring cup, not included. And paper disposal cups, not included. Alright,
Let's get to this.
okay, let me open my
I wonder what this is for. Yeah, it's just the cover. It's just the cover.
So, this is the gum stuff.
Said not
I think
to
this
eat
is
it,
food coloring.
Oh.
Okay, guys.
So we got the warm water, and
So,
apparently we put this in here. We put the whole thing, or yeah.
whoa.
And we get all of this out.
I think the stick is for stirring it.
Yeah, it is.
Oh man, I think I feel it turning into the slime already.
Me too.
And I think this is food coloring or something.
Yeah, I think
That makes it green.
I think we need more warm water.
No, I think this is enough. Because the warm water actually turns into the slime.
It's not working. So apparently we are reading the instructions right now, because this doesn't seem to be working.
It just says, measure 40 milliliters of warm water, 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, and pour it into a cup. Ask a parent to help. So,
Apparently we didn't add enough water.
well, maybe the water's not warm enough. I don't know. Let's keep. Maybe we should keep mixing. Maybe add more. I think it's turning. It's turning into it. Yeah. And yeah, it's turning into it. It is? I'm trying to think. Man. Guys, look. It's turning into the slime. And, yeah, but we will do a subscriber special when we get enough subscribers. Maybe a 50 subscriber special, then a 100 subscriber special, and then Like, I don't know. But when we do get 100 subscribers, we will get the silver play button. And,
Wait, will we? I thought it was at 100K.
yeah, 100,000. So when we get 1 million, we get the gold play button.
10 million diamond play button.
And, so yeah, if we could get all those play buttons, that would be awesome. So just leave a like and keep subscribing on. You guys are awesome. And I feel it turning into the slime. It's working. Oh man.
Are you sure?
I think it's kind of a little bit liquidy.
Mine is not working at all.
Wait, is it? Huh. That's weird.
So let's add this thing now.
So I'm sure this makes it so the slime is green.
Okay, so apparently I think we have to add this in now.
Spread it like all around. Whoa. So now mine is all spread around. I'm just gonna move that. So
Okay,
now we
it's-
can. Oh.
Oh, it's turning
Oh,
into it.
Oh man, it's turning. Oh man. Oh.
It's turning into slime.
It's actually doing it. I'm gonna take in like all the like water so that my
Look.
slime is really big.
I feel like we should.
Can we make it into a cube and make it a slime from Minecraft? If you know what I mean.
Oh yeah, like a grass block or something.
No,
Maybe we
not a
should-
grass block.
Okay, I really want to get my hands on this now. It does. Wait, it's kind of wet, but oh, this
Whoa.
is so
Whoa.
weird.
Whoa,
Oh
look.
my god!
I can make a green popsicle because the stick is like going into it.
Man.
Look, I made a square popsicle.
This is so goofy and gross.
You can buy it in the description for $1.99. I'm just kidding.
It's like a worm.
You can't really buy it in the description. Oh.
I don't like.
Oh.
It's like a magic show. Like
Whoa.
it's going through my hand.
It's really slippery.
Like it's like.
Look.
How is it going through my hand?
Whoa.
Okay, don't go through my hand. Stop it. Jordan, look, no matter what I do, it just falls off. No.
No, I can't pick it up.
I
Oh,
can.
okay, I can hold it.
Okay, this is the weirdest thing
This is so
I've ever
weird.
felt.
Oh my god, it's freaking me
Oh,
out.
I'm trying to stretch it. I'm trying to stretch it. Whoa, take a
Look,
look.
guys.
Pause the video and take a look at
This
this.
is slime. Oh no!
Get it on the table. Ew.
Oh my god, this is freaking me
It's
out.